Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how to fix Google Play error OR-REH-04. Here's how to fix Google Play error OR-R04 in just a few steps. First, making the purchase again using a different method. Just open the Play Store, go to the item you want to buy, tap the price, tap the down arrow next to your payment method, choose a different option or add a new one. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, find Google Play Store under your apps, tap Force Stop, then clear the cache and data. Still having trouble? Check if your card's billing address matches the one saved in Google Payments. A mismatch can cause payments to fail. Finally, confirm your zip code and update any outdated info in your payment settings. Once everything matches, try the transaction again. It should go through smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.